Saddlemen's S3500 tactical sissy bar bag is designed with a blend of dynamic materials, resulting in a bag that's tough, weather-resistant, and long-lasting, so you can keep your most valued items protected right after ride. As part of our tactical lineup, this model offers the same sturdy construction and range of use as the original S3500 and adds a few stylish adjustments, including M.O.L.E webbing details on the exterior that highlight the bag's rugged functionality. Large, full-size openings allow easy access to the bag contents even when mounted to the bike. Inside, a removable shelf lets you separate your cargo. The shelf adjusts up or down, and if you don't need it, you can just take it out. An office organizer lets you keep things like business cards, glasses, writing instruments, and cell phones separated from the rest of your cargo for easy access. Constructed of UV, water, and weather-resistant 1200 denier material, this is a bag that won't let you down even in the harshest conditions. All the exterior zippers are equipped with Saddlemen's unique self-healing zipper system that are easy to grip with or without gloves. You'll also notice the holes located at the end of each pull tab, allowing you to attach a travel lock for added security. And when the weather is especially wet, the S3500's tethered rain cover is quick and easy to deploy. All you have to do is slip it over the bag and cinch it closed with the adjustable drawstring. As soon as the sun's back out, stashing the rain cover is just as fast. With Saddlemen's universal mounting system, attachment couldn't be simpler. The S3500 is equipped for installation on just about any sissy bar, backrest, or luggage rack. The sissy bar mounting system is fully adjustable, goes on in seconds over any size or style sissy bar pad, and once you get the right fit, you'll never need to adjust it again. Cargo straps on the top of the bag let you secure an additional roll bag, and they're just as useful for strapping down a spare jacket, rain gear, or nearly anything else you want to have on hand. When you need to carry the S3500 off the bike, toting is just as easy with the top carry handle and padded backpack straps. The S3500 tactical bag keeps your cargo safely attached while improving the look of your motorcycle, and you can pick one up for around that $240 mark. Saddlemen offers a wide variety of stylish designs with exclusive features that you just won't find anywhere else. To find out more about how you can take your luggage situation to the next level, simply call, email, or send a direct message. One of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen bag for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.